the stuff, you
So
drunk.
talk about my grandma, you son of a...
I didn't talk about you.
Talk about my grandma.
Put your hand down. Put your hand down.
September 23rd, 2023. Airport security checkpoint. A woman trying to reach her dying grandmother ends up facing 3 criminal charges: battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest with violence, disorderly conduct. 3 separate legal thresholds, and not all of them carry the same weight going into court.
Hey, you got a possible undergo influence or something. Green shirt over there. She's acting up in the south side, cursing and banging stuff. Do you want her trespass?
It's going to be a surprise. She's
Hey!
She's cussing up a storm, cussing on everybody.
What is it about?
I don't know, she's been cussing everybody. She's throwing paper.
Delay my flight. No, you delayed it. I didn't do shit to you guys. I just need to go home to my grandma. I need to go home to my grandma. And she dies before I'm there. I just want to get home to my grandma. I didn't do shit to you.
So she's been drinking too.
I didn't do shit. Yes. Take my ID. Like, I have not done shit to the mother
Hey,
Americans. Please just
watch your
let me-
mouth.
No.
No?
No. I didn't do any, I didn't swear at
Really?
any of these.
I've
Really?
asked you, please do not use profanity.
It's profanity?
No, you just said
I meant like, you know, saltine. Is that a profanity? Because y'all
Where are you
don't
from?
act right? Can we please just get me through the mother line so I can get to my flight? Is profanity for real? It's only when you guys are treating people like it's funny.
Is that the only
Because
bag
he's
she's
the
got?
only one that don't look
Has this one in there.
what
Yeah,
the start shit. Because he's the only one that don't look offended. Yo, what the I can't miss my flight, B. Are you paying for my flight when I miss it? Are you paying for my flight when I miss it?
Ma'am.
And then catch my flight. Yo, my grandma needs me up north. No, my grandma needs me. I don't get time to play with you.
Give me a second. Your
I don't
flight's
get time to play with you. I just want to get home to my grandma.
Nikki.
I ain't playing with you.
Nikki.
I didn't do nothing to you. I just want to get home to my grandma. You, my grandma, about to die while I'm
Nikki.
in line with TSA. I just want to get home to
Nikki.
my grandma.
My name is Officer Ronnie.
Yo, I swear to God.
Listen to me.
Officer Ryan,
Ronnie.
Nikki about to be the last one you remember.
All right, Nikki.
Let me out of the line. I just need to go home to my grandma.
You're gonna get
I'm
there.
not a terrorist. Check my shit.
Nikki.
You look like I got a bomb. I just want to get home to my
Oscar
grandma.
98. Go ahead.
What the? Get me home. I need to get home to my grandma right now,
I don't
B.
need a
Like, that's
44,
all
but
I'm
we need
asking
an
you to do.
expedite, please.
I just want to get home to my grandma. I'm not trying to bomb the line. I'm not trying to transport drugs. I just want to see my grandma for the last time. I just want to see my grandma, B. I just want to see my grandma. Yo, you.
Are you going to take a breath? Take a breath.
Yo, my grandma's dying as we speak.
Nikki.
My grandmother's dying.
Nikki.
You want me to take a breath?
Nikki.
Yo, I just want to go home and see my grandma. You're
gonna.
tripping. I haven't
Will you
done
listen to me?
anything wrong.
Do you want to go?
Deodorant. A
Can I have a
toothbrush.
29P, please? It's
What
gonna
have
be
I
the
done
New Hampshire
wrong?
by number.
I just want to go home and see my grandma. I've done nothing wrong.
I believe it's November Hotel Lima.
I've done nothing wrong.
142
My grandma died. The blood
485
pressure is 186
95.
over 160. My grandma dies on your watch, mother. My grandma dies on your watch, mother. Yo, I just want to see my grandma one last time. Ma'am, please.
Nikki.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please, my grandma's blood pressure is 186 over 160. I just want to go home.
Give it to your supervisor. Okay, I'm dealing with this.
Please. My grandma is the only thing that means anything to me. Please help me. I just need to get to my grandma before she dies.
Sir.
You're treating me like shit. I just want to say bye to my grandma.
What's up?
I want to say bye to my grandma.
What time does this
It's the
plane
only
leave?
thing.
We need to make the chance to get the money back.
My grandma's a Chapman. Chapman. My grandma's the only thing that means anything to me. Please help. Please help me. I'm not a terrorist.
Miss Chapman. Miss Chapman. Where are you headed, dear?
Boston.
Going to Boston?
I just want to see my grandma.
Do you have
one
your
last-
flight information real
Yeah.
quick so we can try to get you on that flight?
I just want to see my grandma one last time, B.
Okay, you're going to see her.
Huh?
Just take a breath for a
No,
second.
you don't understand how she's down.
We're working with you. My
No.
name's Officer Ronnie. I'm going to help
You're
you.
not working with me.
We are.
You're treating me like... I don't know where it went.
Well, you need your flight stuff. Where's your
No,
flight
it was
stuff?
right.
Take your time.
Yo. Ooh.
How do you feel?
I don't feel good. I just need to go. One of my grandmas. I just had my flight. No, don't play with me.
I'm trying to figure it out.
No, don't play with me.
She's going to Boston.
Don't play with me. My flight was... Don't play with me. Don't play with me. My flight was right here. Y'all
Where's
play
your
with me. I
paperwork, sweetie?
printed it out. It was in my purse. Y'all
Is
playing
it
with me.
in, nobody took
No,
her
y'all
flight
playing
stuff
with
yet?
me. Y'all playing with me for real. Don't play
Is it
with
in
me.
your thingy maybe?
Don't play with me.
Suitcase?
Open it up. Open it up. I have nothing to hide.
No, I'm asking you to find your flight stuff. I don't
I
want to
had
find
it right-
anything. I'm trying so I can get you to Boston.
Y'all had it right here so I can fly out.
Please
Don't
have
play
a
with me.
supervisor
Don't play
turn
with
to
me.
late 9 for an alarm.
I wasn't... My ID's right there on the floor.
Where your
No,
stuff
but
is for the flight?
No, I just had it. I just had it.
We need
Look,
to
my
take her
ID's
somewhere
there.
and get her away from here. So
No, I need to get to my flight. He has my ID right there. He's holding my ID.
name's
Look at
Nikki.
it. Look at my ID's in his hand.
Stop talking, please. Stop. I don't want to hear another
No,
word.
my ID's in his
Stop.
hand.
Stop. What problem do you guys have with her?
No problem.
If you don't go through that screening process, you can't fly.
I'm going through the screening
Nikki,
process,
where's
but he's treating me like shit.
Where's
My
your
ID's in
paperwork?
your hand.
Sweetie, where is
Because
your
my-
paperwork to
No,
fly?
my grandma's dying.
That's all
My
right.
grandma's dying and
That's
she's
good.
speak.
I feel
Yeah,
bad.
that's
I'm
good.
sorry. But
That's
the thing
good.
is, you gotta
That's
act
good.
like a
That's
don't.
good.
Stop
That's
crying.
good.
Stop
That's
crying.
good.
Where's your
That's
boarding
good.
pass?
I
Where's
was-
your
It
boarding
was
pass?
right here.
It's not, Nikki.
No, that ain't right. You have my license in your hand.
Ma'am.
You need a boarding
Ma'am.
pass.
Okay.
Ma'am. You
Okay.
need to take a breath.
Statement signed that she's interrupting your
Yo.
lock her up, take her to jail.
Yo, that's not
Yes,
fair,
yes.
Mommy.
Somebody's gotta
My
let us know we
grandma's
can do that.
dying.
For
My
disorderly.
grandma's dying. Disorderly?
Somebody's got to get
No.
information.
Ma'am, I can smell the alcohol in you from here.
The alcohol?
Stop. Stop. Stop.
He has my ID.
Yeah, but we're trying to figure out what we're going to do because you don't have a boarding pass.
I
You
have
need
a boarding pass.
pass.
That's not true. I have a boarding pass.
Where's your
I
boarding
have-
pass?
You got to give me
If you got a boarding pass, they'll let you
Okay,
through.
so stop
And you got to
yelling
stop
at me.
yelling.
But that's
But
not
you're
fair.
yelling.
Y'all been yelling at me.
Because
My
you're
grandma-
screaming out.
Because
Listen,
my
stop.
grandma's dying
Stop.
right now.
I feel
No.
done, but I don't want to hear about it anymore. Get your boarding pass and get ready to go.
Before
What
they
are you airline you
they
flying?
don't want you on the plane. As long as you can
They
show
don't
your
want me on the
no,
plane?
as long as you can show your boarding pass. I've been asking.
I've been
for 10
trying,
times,
but
and
y'all
you'll
been
get on the
screaming
plane.
at
Don't
me.
worry about it.
I'm not.
You're
What airline you flying?
JetBlue. I just
JetBlue's not here. It's a different air. You got to go to a different terminal.
You're lying.
JetBlue hasn't flown here since October.
You're lying. You're playing. So I have to go to a whole nother terminal to get paid.
Chapman, 1054.
Can I get my license back to get over there? That's
If you want, we'll take over there.
my number, just save that for a little bit.
I'm not
We're
trying
gonna
to
walk you out. You're gonna walk out over here. You're gonna have to walk out here. We're gonna walk out. And get your check. I know that. Stop. For fifth time, I understand that. But we're trying to help you out. So stop. JetBlue does not fly to this terminal.
They said terminal
No.
C.
This is A and B. This is A and B. This is not C.
Not near sea.
You're nowhere near C.
We're gonna help you to just take a breath.
My grandma's gonna die while I'm sitting there.
Officers received a staff complaint, intoxicated woman, causing a scene. That gives them reasonable, articulable suspicion under Terry v. Ohio, 1968. An investigative contact. Not yet an arrest. She used profanity. Repeatedly. The Supreme Court resolved this in Cohen v. California, 1971. The government cannot criminalize the public use of a profane word. Offensive is not the same as illegal. One officer smelled alcohol on her. That does not make her disorderly. Disorderly conduct statutes require brawling, fighting, or conduct that outrages public decency. Being loud and intoxicated does not automatically satisfy that element. Then she told Officer Ronnie, quoting the footage, "Nikki, about to be the last one you remember." Under Chaplinsky versus New Hampshire, 1942, words that incite an immediate breach of the peace lose First Amendment protection. That statement changes the analysis. Whether that clears the fighting words threshold is a genuinely close question. Courts apply the standard narrowly. Frustration and hyperbole are not threats, but officers assess in real time, and the court evaluates their judgment by what a reasonable officer would conclude on the scene. She could not produce a boarding pass. JetBlue did not operate from that terminal. Officers offered to walk her to the correct one. That was the de-escalation exit. She declined it, and that decision directly affected what came next. Arrest at the 10-minute mark. The controlling standard is Graham versus Connor. Supreme Court, 1989. Force must be objectively reasonable, from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not assessed after the fact with full information. Graham looks at three things: severity of the crime, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether she is actively resisting. She was resisting. Soft and hard empty-hand control. Then handcuffing that progression tracks the use of force continuum for the level of resistance shown. She complained the cuffs were cutting off her circulation. Standard protocol requires double locking immediately and checking for two-finger clearance. A credible circulation complaint during custody triggers the 14th Amendment deliberate indifference standard. That needed an audible response on camera. It did not get one. Battery on a law enforcement officer requires contact during a lawful duty. Lawful is the operative word. If the disorderly conduct arrest lacked probable cause, the duty was not lawful and the battery charge collapses with it. The disorderly count is the foundation. Resisting with violence requires actual force against the officer, not refusal to walk. If her resistance was non-compliance rather than physical aggression, the violence element is legally exposed. That is a jury question, not a label an officer assigns at the scene. Officers had a tool they did not use: administrative trespass. Airport law enforcement can remove someone without criminal charges. Same security outcome. Zero arrest exposure. That option was raised once and dropped a policy gap. Not an individual officer mistake.
350136, 350136.
Well, you should have thought about that
You know what? You suck dry, you son of a...
all the time.
Yeah, you suck your grandma's dry. So talk about my grandma.
Well, you're
suck
acting like a fool.
dry.
You're acting like a fool.
I'm acting like
Because you're
a fool.
drunk and you don't know where you're
I'm
going.
acting like a fool.
Yes, you are.
Suck your own grandma's
All
dry,
right, I
you
will.
evil son of a... Yeah, suck your dry, you son of a...
Did the stuff you
So
drunk?
talk about my grandma, you son of a...
I didn't talk about you.
hear
Got me
him?
good.
Talk about my grandma.
Put your hand down. Put your hand down.
Ow!
Don't fuck with you.
Okay, that's okay, but you're not gonna beat on me. Okay,
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. You're under arrest. Stop resisting. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Stop resisting.
Let go. Let go.
I'm
Stop
not
resisting.
You're breaking my arm. I'm not resisting.
Let go of your bag.
Let go of your bag.
Let go of your bag.
Yo, what the? You hit me. Yo, look at.
Get up.
Look at what they just did to me.
Get up.
Get up.
Yo, you don't help.
Get up.
I'll get this.
They just. I'm not doing any. No, that's my bag. Please pick my bag up. Mama, please pick my bag up. I bled. Look at what they just did to me. Mama, I need to go home to my grandma. Please.
It's too late now. You blew that one.
Please pick my. Yo, you're flipping out on me for no reason. Yo, you're breaking my f***ing wrist. Stop.
283.
I haven't. Ow!
have a cage
Ow!
car.
Ow! Ow! I'm not doing anything. Don't help me.
Stop
Help me.
resisting.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything to
We
you.
need a cage car.
Yo, I'm not doing anything
Bravo
to
side
you.
Delta.
You're hurting me bad. You're hurting me bad. Please let me pick up my purse. My ID's on the floor. No, please pick up my. Please pick up my ID. Please. You could. I didn't do anything to you. My grandma's dying right now. Why are you all doing this to me? My grandma. No, please anything to anybody. I didn't do anything to anybody. You stop hitting me.
We're not
You're
hitting
gonna
you.
stop being abusive. You're gonna stop being abusive.
Okay, you need to walk this way.
No, he's not gonna keep. You gotta loosen the cuff. You gotta loosen this cuff. It's cutting my circulation off.
adjust it in a
I
moment.
can't breathe. You'll cut this.
breathing, you're
You're
talking.
cutting my circulation off. You have to cut. You have to fix this. You
Okay,
have to fix
all
it.
right.
It's too tight.
What's your
Please
name?
help me. Please
Nikki,
help me.
relax.
Please help me. Please help me. It's too tight. It's too tight. Please.
Right here.
I'm everywhere. Please just help me. Please just help me. It hurts.
No.
It hurts. It hurts. Please help me. No, stop.
Miss Chapman.
Stop.
Take
I
a
haven't
breath.
done anything to you.
Stop.
I haven't done anything to
Quiet.
you. You beating the shit out of me. You're beating the shit out of me. I've done nothing to you.
I'm gonna follow you guys.
I've done
I'm gonna follow them, and then I'll be back. I'm supposed to be over here, okay?
I've done nothing to you. It's funny. It's funny.
I got
It's
whoever
funny.
these are. I have them. Go
It's
with you.
funny. It's funny. It's funny. It's,
I'll be back.
you're not gonna keep breaking my arm. I've done
Miss
nothing
Chapman,
wrong.
walk.
I've
Walk.
done nothing wrong.
Walk, Miss
I've
Chapman.
done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong.
Ma'am, walk. Ma'am, stop resisting the police and stand up. Stand up.
You're hurting me.
Stop, stop, listen.
You're hurting me.
Listen, listen.
You're hurting
Listen.
me. I
Listen,
just
ma'am.
need to breathe.
Listen,
I just need to see my grandma.
turn around here.
Yo, you're hurting me. Let me.
Face me.
He's hurting me on purpose.
Listen.
No, stop him. Stop him.
Slide in.
I'm done. I need my wallet.
I
I
have
need to
everything in
see
the
it.
bag.
I need to see it.
It's right here.
That's not fair. I've done nothing wrong. I paid $400 for a ride home.
Stop spitting on me.
No, that's not
Stop
fair.
spitting on me.
Ow!
Thank you.
She was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest with violence, and disorderly conduct. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more police body cam breakdowns. And as always, everyone is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Officer Ronnie receives a B. He introduced himself, offered real help, and extended the walk to terminal option. That is the job done right. He loses credit for choosing criminal arrest over trespass and for no documented response to the handcuff complaint. Ms. Chapman receives a C+. Her distress was genuine. Her First Amendment protection was real, up to the moment she made a statement officers could reasonably read as threatening. After that, each refusal to cooperate added to the probable cause record against her. The department receives a B-. Officers were restrained and professional. The problem is structural, no clear protocol for when administrative trespass should replace criminal arrest. That ambiguity puts officers in the position of making calls that expose the department to civil liability. 3 takeaways. First, rights and strategy are not the same thing. She had constitutional protection for most of what she said. The cumulative conduct still built a probable cause argument. Knowing your rights matters. Knowing how to exercise them under pressure matters more. Second, de-escalation has a ceiling. Officer Ronnie extended every reasonable offer. When the other party cannot engage from grief, intoxication, or panic, de-escalation reaches its structural limit. That is not a failure of the officer. It is a feature of these encounters. Third, administrative trespass exists for exactly this situation. When departments do not train officers on when to use it, they produce outcomes like this one: 3 charges, contested probable cause, and a case that may not survive pretrial motions. That cost falls on everyone. The disorderly conduct charge faces the steepest legal challenge, and without it, the battery count loses its foundation. Case outcome unknown at publication. Drop your analysis in the comments. Thank you for watching.